In this video, I'd like to talk about the very powerful ability of OneCNC to use formulas both within design and manufacture. In fact, anywhere there's a numerical input field, you can use a formula. So first of all, let's take a look at creating some geometry using a formula. In this example, we have a part that's 6 inches 375 in length, 4 inches 375 in width. Now, let's say that we need to create a circle, and that circle is going to be at 1 inch 80 thousandths from this edge right here. So a good formula would be 6 inches 375 thousandths minus 1 inch 80 thousandths. So how can we do that? Well, let's head over here to the command manager. We're going to go into our arc command. Really doesn't matter what the diameter is. I'm going to say 250 thousandths. Now for the x coordinate, I'm going to type in 6.375, and I'm going to type in a minus sign now, 1 inch 80 thousandths. Once we've done that, just hit the equal sign key on your keyboard, just like that, and that'll give you the result. Now we can do the same for the y value, actually anywhere there's numeric input. So for the y value, just as an example, we could type in y minus 4 inches 375 thousandths plus, let's say, 3 inches 620 thousandths. Going to hit the equal sign on the keyboard, and that gives us the result, and then we can click OK to that. Now, your formulas can be much more complicated than that. Let me give you another example here. Instead of 5.295, you could, for example, put that in parentheses and say plus 200 thousandths in parentheses times 2. So even though I'm not really going to use that value, I'm just showing you that if I hit the equal sign, OneCNC will perform the formula exactly as it should be calculated. All right, I'm going to escape out of that, and I want to show you now how you can use formulas within manufacture. Let's undo that circle we just created. I'm going to hit Control Z on the keyboard to undo that. Let's select all the dark blue geometry. That's going to be our dimensions. And I'm going to blank those out or hide them by clicking on the blank button there. All right, so let's head over to the command manager. Let's go into our stock toolpaths and select a profile operation. I'm going to start profiling right here. Going to climb cut. Going to hit the F3 key on the keyboard to select the rest of the geometry and then right-hand mouse click. All right, so we're going to be using an end mill for this, but what I want to demonstrate is that though OneCNC needs a decimal value here, we can put in a fraction and use that fraction as a formula. Let me give you a simple example first. If you put in 1/2 of an inch as a fraction, if you hit the equal sign, that really takes 1 and divide it by 2, and you get 0.5. That's exactly what you want. But let's say you have some odd diameter tool. I'm just making something up here. How about 23/64? Now if I hit the equal sign on the keyboard, OneCNC converts that into decimal, and then you can use that for the diameter of your tool. In fact, anywhere there's numeric input, you can use a formula. You can use simple formulas or complicated formulas. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.